guys, welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so what am I doing today? I'm doing an into resin mould. Now, I think it was probably September, October time. I ordered the newer, more expensive mystery bag from Into Resin. And this is one of the moulds I got. And we're coming up to February. What's in February? Valentine's Day. So I figured a heart Valentine's. So I got Ella to choose a colour. This is the second one she chose. I really didn't want to do the first one. So we're using peacock blue. Now with these into resin moulds, sometimes the beauty is in the actual mould itself, not all the fancy colours and all that malarkey. So for this one, it is going to be super straightforward, but not completely straightforward, because why would I do something like that? I wouldn't. So I'm going to tint the colour, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing it in one pour. So I'm going to be mixing some of this glitter that I've used quite a bit recently, and I'm going to pour that down the edges. And once that's done, then I'm just going to coat the top. So as I say, super straightforward. You may notice I have the mould on a tin lid that I have, and that's because this is going into my pressure pot, and it can be transported and kept level just like that. So as I say, super straightforward. So hopefully this, for editing for Chris, should not be too complicated. My resin's quite warm. It's been on the I've had both parts A and B warming, so I'll have to get a bit of a mushki on once I start doing this. So as I say, I'm not going to be making it too strong a colour, but a couple of drops of this. Probably for the clear part going to add some of Marabou, just because I love using that stuff. But as I say, mix them two up, separate a small amount out, add some of this, put it down the side, add as much as I need, and then just top the rest. So as I say, this one in theory should be super straightforward. So I think I am going to leave you to Chris's zoomies.
Hearts on her whiskers, resin on her paws. The little crafty rascal working there because she said love is in the details, the tiny things we pour. And I just watched her smiling from our cardboard kitchen floor. She pours a special resin bowl with glitter and sparkle galore. She could have picked a teddy bear or carved some scrap wood from the drawer, but a heart in Valentine's month beat every bright idea before. Yeah, crafty rat's love lasts forevermore. She measured out the colors, checked it once then twice, chasing every bubble, chasing something nice. Little tail flick, concentration, tongue stuck in her cheek. Said this might look kinda simple, but it took me all week. She pours a special resin bowl with glitter and sparkle galore. She could have picked a teddy bear or whittled a block of wood from the drawer, but a heart in Valentine's month won out like I knew it would for sure. Yeah, crafty rat's love lasts forevermore. tiny hands could hold a love this big. From the paper scraps and ribbons to that little resin rig. I don't need diamonds or roses at my door. I've got hearts on her whiskers, and I couldn't ask for more. She pours a special resin bowl with glitter and sparkle galore. She could have grabbed a teddy bear or carved her name in wood I adore. But a heart in Valentine's month beat every bright idea before. Yeah, Crafty Rat's love lasts forevermore. Oh, yeah.
Right, so these are pretty much cured now. It's been like a week, so it should have cured. Now this one did shrink quite a bit, so all I'm going to do is just top it up with a little bit of UV. So I'm just going to do this. I will get Chris to fast forward it, and then I will be back momentarily to demold.
There's a crafty little rascal in the dead of the night, with tiny paws a-working by the porch pale light. A mason jar of resin and a sparkle in their eye, pouring mischief like the moon, pouring light from the sky. With a shake of their whiskers and a glint of pure gold, that glitter spins a story yet to be told. A palette full of shimmer, a dash of sly grin.
Ooh, that's not cured.
The maker's masterpiece is about to begin. Oh, crafty
Ew.
little rascal, pouring resin, making art. A splash of gleaming glitter straight from your heart. Out here in the moon.
Right, that's pretty much cured now. I did kind of stick my finger in before it was fully cured, so there's a slight dent in there, but you know. Right, so this was quite literally the leftover. I had absolutely no idea how much the tray would take, so I think I made probably about 300 mils. It was only a little too much. So much so that I managed to get this whole entire one done. Apart from that little tiny bit that I've just filled up with UV. And there we go. That's actually pretty cool. I quite like that. Right. So now for the bowl. So this has been in the pressure pot. So I am hoping for no bubbles, but we'll see how my luck held out on that. Now, oh, I like that. So I can't remember what colour I used.
A blue one.
But that is really pretty. And I don't think I see any bubbles. I'll have to examine it later. But that seems to have worked out really well. I wasn't too sure about the corrugated style size, but actually it's not too bad. And when you look at it from the side, you can see where the glitter sunk. I didn't want to use too much glitter because with it being an into resin mould and first time using it, I wanted to be able to see a lot of the details, and I feel at least that you can. So what do you reckon, Chris?
That's cool as that.
Right. So let me know what you guys think to this week's make. I do love this mould. I did buy this mould from Into Resin specifically. This one didn't come part of the mystery bag. This one did. So let me know what you guys think to this. If you're still here, thank you so much. Your support means a lot. All my current subscribers are absolutely amazing. I have just hit 400. It does go up and down. But at the moment of recording this, I'm at 400, which is absolutely amazing. So for all my subscribers out there, you are awesome. You really are. This resin community is absolutely fantastic, and the support is absolutely amazing. If you're not already subscribed, click the button below. It's free, and it would help the channel a lot, especially if you are watching my videos. In the description, I do have linked some discount codes. Do we have an Into Resin one?
Yes.
We even have an Into Resin discount code, so go check them out. The molds, the handmade molds, can be a little bit more expensive, but in my opinion, I am not paid by them. I do not get anything out of them. I've had nothing but either good molds or good customer service. Absolutely fantastic. Right, so as I say, discount code's linked below. Please like and comment. That would mean a lot to my channel, and to me as well, to me and my channel. And yeah, right, I shall catch you for the next video, which in theory should be on Friday, unless there's any other collaborations that I forgot about in between now and then. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she